Thinking about getting a smartwatch but not sure which one to choose? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Some are great for health tracking, others have incredible battery life, and some just look stunning on your wrist. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 smartwatches of 2025, comparing their strengths and weaknesses so you can find the perfect one for you. Let's get started. Number 5. OnePlus Watch 2. Smartwatches aren't just for telling time anymore. They're here to make your life easier. So how does the OnePlus Watch 2 stack up? The OnePlus Watch 2 shines with its sleek, durable design and a vibrant, clear display. Its long-lasting battery lasts for days, and with fast charging, you're good to go in just minutes. For fitness and health tracking, it covers all the bases: heart rate, stress levels, sleep quality, and even snoring risk. It offers smooth performance, helping with daily tasks through voice assistant support and a range of apps. Plus, advanced GPS gives you the most accurate location data for outdoor activities. Priced at $299, the OnePlus Watch 2 is out now. When will it hit Turkey? Let's wait and see. Do you think this watch lives up to the hype? Let's talk in the comments. Number 4. Apple Watch Series 10. Apple is back with its most advanced and slimmest smartwatch yet. The Apple Watch Series 10. It's 10% thinner than previous models and comes with a bigger, more stunning display. The new wide-angle OLED screen is 40% brighter, making it super easy to read in any lighting. And with aluminum and titanium case options, it's as stylish as it is functional. Jet black aluminum gives a sleek, modern look, while titanium cases in natural, gold, and slate add a premium touch. When it comes to health and fitness, Series 10 steps it up with sleep apnea alerts, faster charging, and depth and water temperature detection. Plus, watchOS 11 brings even smarter health insights to keep you on top of your wellness game. The Apple Watch Series 10 isn't just a watch, it's your personal assistant, right on your wrist. Number 3. The Google Pixel Watch 3 really raises the bar. With a 40% larger screen than its predecessor, this watch is easier to use and looks better than ever. But the upgrades don't stop there. The 45mm Pixel Watch 3 comes with an impressive 48 hours of battery life, allowing you to go 2 full days without needing to charge it. This is a major improvement over the previous model's 24-hour battery life, making it much more reliable for day-to-day use. In addition to that, it brings useful Fitbit premium features, giving you deeper insights into your sleep quality, health, and fitness habits. One of the coolest new tools is the Readiness Score, which helps you understand how ready your body is to take on the day and allows you to make better choices for your activities. The Pixel Watch 3 is more than just a smartwatch. It's a lifestyle tool that helps you stay connected, track your health, and live your best life. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Built to handle anything. Samsung is taking smartwatches to the next level. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is the toughest and most advanced Samsung smartwatch yet. With a titanium frame, sapphire crystal display, and military-grade durability, it's ready for any adventure. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 100 meters and even comes with a diving certification, perfect for underwater explorers. With a 60-hour battery life and power-saving mode, you won't have to worry about charging all the time. It also packs EKG, blood pressure monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and advanced sleep analysis, so you can keep an eye on your health 24/7. And thanks to dual-frequency GPS, location tracking is more precise than ever. Whether you're into extreme sports or everyday workouts, this watch has you covered with pro-level training modes, dive tracking, and in-depth heart rate analysis. It's also fully integrated with the Samsung ecosystem and runs on One UI 6.0 Watch, bringing better notifications, customization, and overall usability. So do you think the Galaxy Watch Ultra can compete with the Apple Watch Ultra? Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra. 2. Does its battery life crush the competition? When it comes to durability and battery life, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is the first name that comes to mind. But is it really worth the upgrade? If you already own the first-gen Ultra, don't expect a huge difference. In fact, you might even lose some features like blood oxygen tracking. But if you're choosing between the Ultra 2 and the Series 10, the real question is, do you actually need the extra durability and long battery life? If you're an adventure junkie, The Ultra 2 is perfect for you. With a bigger battery, top-tier durability, and a design built for extreme conditions, it's a beast. But for everyday use, the Series 10 has everything you need at a much better price. So, what do you think? Is the Ultra 2 really worth the price? Drop your thoughts in the comments.